Stop thinking you need thousands of dollars and a giant workshop to make real money with resin. That's just not true. Today, I'm walking you through 10 resin projects that only cost around $60 to get started, and a few of these can sell for way more than most people think if you know how to price them the right way. Here's the problem most people run into when they get into resin. They buy a kit, they make a few coasters, maybe a tray or two, and then they wonder why nobody is buying anything. The truth is, plain coasters and trays are everywhere. Every craft fair has 5 tables selling the same basic stuff. If you want to make actual money, you need to pick things that either solve a problem for someone, connect to an emotion, or fill a gap that big stores don't fill. That's exactly what this list is built around, so let's get into it. The first idea is resin tea light candle holders. These are cheap to make, they don't use much resin at all, and they sell really well because people always want something small and pretty for their home. You can make these look like little crystals, ocean waves, or even galaxy designs, and they work great as gifts too. A single candle holder might cost you under $2 in materials, but people are happy to pay $10 to $20 for one, especially around the holidays when everyone is buying small gifts for coworkers, teachers, or neighbors. The second one is wedding keepsake resin blocks made from real flowers. This is one of the most profitable ideas on this whole list, and here's why. After a wedding, most brides have this beautiful bouquet that just dies within a week. So what a lot of resin artists do is take those flowers, dry them out a bit, and preserve them inside a clear resin block or dome. This isn't just a craft item anymore, it's a memory. People pay a premium for that. You could easily charge over $100 for one of these, sometimes way more depending on size, because the bride isn't just paying for resin, she's paying to keep a piece of her wedding day forever. Third on the list is custom name letter sets. Think wooden or acrylic letters filled with resin, spelling out a baby's name for a nursery, or a couple's last name for their living room. These are huge for baby showers and gender reveal gifts. Parents love decorating a nursery, and personalized items always feel more special than something you just grab off a shelf. You can price these based on the number of letters, so a 5-letter name could easily bring in $40 to $80 depending on size and detail. Number 4 is personalized resin keychains. This one is great if you want something fast to make and easy to sell in bulk. Keychains are small, so they use very little resin, which means your cost per piece is really low. But people love adding their name, their pet's name, or even a small charm inside. These work great for teacher gifts, sports team fundraisers, small business giveaways, or just individual orders on places like Etsy. Even at a lower price point like $8 to $15 each, the profit margin is strong because your material cost is so small. The fifth idea is resin barrettes, which are basically decorative hair clips. This is a smaller niche, but it's a loyal one. Moms buying for their daughters, or people who love unique hair accessories that you just can't find in a regular store. You can add dried flowers, glitter, or even tiny beads inside the resin to make each one different. Because they're small, your cost is low, but the design work you put in adds a lot of value, so people don't mind paying $15 to $25 for a well-made pair. Number 6, and this one is a bit more emotional, is memorial keepsake resin pieces. This is where people bring you something meaningful, like a small amount of ashes, a lock of hair, or even a flower from a funeral, and you seal it inside a resin piece, like a pendant or a small paperweight. This is not something you make for fun, it's something you make with care, because you're helping someone hold on to a memory of a person or a pet they lost. Because of how personal this is, people are willing to pay a lot, sometimes over $100, because there is no other way for them to get that memory back. The 7th idea is a resin comb. This one is a little different from what most people think of when they hear resin crafts. Instead of jewelry or home decor, you're making a functional hair comb with a resin handle or resin teeth design. These stand out because most combs people buy are plain plastic ones from the store. A handmade resin comb feels like a small piece of art that you use every day, and that uniqueness alone lets you charge more than what a regular comb would cost. Number 8 is resin bottle openers. This one is great if you want to target a slightly different customer, like men buying gifts for other men, or people looking for wedding favors for groomsmen. You take a metal bottle opener piece and encase part of it in a resin design, maybe with wood, bottle caps, or even small items that mean something to the person you're making it for. These do really well as gifts because they're actually useful, not just something that sits on a shelf. You can charge anywhere from $15 to $30 depending on the design. The ninth idea is resin pens. These are super popular with teachers, students, and even office workers who want something nicer than a plain plastic pen. You can add flowers, glitter, small charms, or even tiny letters inside the resin. Pens are also great because they're cheap to make in bulk, so if someone orders 5 or 10 as gifts, your profit adds up fast, even if you're charging a lower price like $12 to $20 each. And the 10th idea is resin toothbrush holders. This might sound like a strange one, but bathroom decor is actually a bigger market than people realize. A lot of people want their bathroom to feel put together, and a plain plastic toothbrush holder just doesn't match that. A resin one, made to match a certain color scheme or style, can easily sell as part of a bathroom decor set, alongside things like soap dispensers or trays. These usually sell for $20 to $40, and if you offer them as a matching set with other bathroom items, you can charge even more. Before I get into the most important part of this video, I want to mention something real quick. A lot of you ask me where I actually get my resin, my molds, and the smaller tools I use for projects like these. I put together a full list of everything I personally use, from the resin brand I trust the most to the exact molds for the keychains, letters, and combs I talked about today, and I linked all of it down in the description box. It's an affiliate link, which just means if you buy through it, you don't pay a single penny more than usual, but it helps support this channel so I can keep making videos like this. If you're serious about starting even one of these 10 ideas, that link is honestly the easiest way to get set up without wasting money on the wrong supplies. Now here's the real key moment I want you to understand from all of this. The 10 ideas I just gave you are not random. Look closely and you'll notice the ones with the highest profit, like the wedding keepsakes and the memorial pieces, are the ones tied to emotion and meaning. People aren't just paying for resin and glitter, they're paying to hold on to a moment they don't want to lose. That's the real secret behind pricing resin high. It's not about how much resin you use or how long it takes to make, it's about how much that item means to the person buying it. A coaster is just a coaster, but a wedding flower sealed in resin is a memory that lasts forever, and memories are something people will always pay more for. So if you're starting with a small budget, don't just copy what everyone else is making. Pick 2 or 3 ideas from this list that connect to something people actually feel, and build your small resin business around that. Start small, get good at 1 or 2 items, get real feedback from real customers, and slowly add more ideas from this list as you grow. $60 is more than enough to get your first few pieces made and start testing what sells in your area or online.